that mysterious ticking noise? What over here? What over there? Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, 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 Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me, Snape, Harry Snape, Snape, Harry Snape, Harry Snape, Harry Snape, 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Severus Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, sing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yeah! Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.